It's Tuesday, June 7th, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage-related topics. Today's topic is when to hire a property manager. Now, relying on a property management company can be really great for you, but it's not for everybody. So here are 5 situations where it might be a good situation for you to look into a property manager. First is that maybe you have lots of properties or rental units to deal with. If you're someone that likes being a landlord, but you now have so many properties in your portfolio that you're struggling to keep up with the day-to-day, then hiring a property manager might be for you. Number 2 is that you don't live near your rental property. If you are in Pennsylvania but have rental properties in New Jersey, or even if you're in North Jersey but have rental properties in South Jersey, it might be very difficult for you to show up for emergencies in the wintertime when something goes wrong with the heat or anything. It could be any time of year. So hiring a property manager might be great if you're not that local, and that way they can step in anytime that there's an issue. Number 3 is that you're just not interested in hands-on management. So maybe you want to be a landlord, but you really don't want to deal with headaches when they arise. You really don't want to deal with collecting rents or making sure that the lawn is cut. If these are things that you don't want to do, but you do want to own properties and have tenants, then hiring a property manager could be for you in that situation. Number 4 is maybe your time is limited. So if you do like to do the hands-on stuff and you do like to be the landlord, but you have a full-time job, you have a full-time family and kids to attend to, or you just have other things going on and you don't really have the time, then hiring a property manager could be a solution for that as well. And number 5 is that you can afford the cost. So all of the first 4 might sound good, but if you can't afford to hire the property manager, then you're not going to be able to hire a property manager. But if you can figure out a way to have your rent set up where you have some money left over in your proceeds every month or in your net income every month where you can pay the property manager, then you can look into the situation then. So those are situations where you might want to hire a property manager. Next week, I'll go into detail about the pros and cons about hiring property managers. If you have any questions, let me know. My office actually does provide property management. So if you're interested in it, just reach out to me and I will connect you with the team who does those services. Thank you for watching today's Tuesday Talk. I hope you all have a great evening and enjoy the rest of your week. I'll see you next Tuesday.